Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? M plus add, mad. Ma plus ni, money, mad money. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Cymraeg.
Thank you, Gene. Hi, folks, and welcome to our show. Lady on my left was here on yesterday's program. She was a winner, made her first appearance in the winner's circle. Didn't win a car, but that's okay. Her name is Evelyn Reason with $900 in winnings.
Thank you. Thank you.
And most of that in cash. Welcome back, Evelyn. You're facing this newcomer, each of you in red today. Mark Vogel is his name. Hello, Mark.
Alex.
What do you do and where are you from?
I'm a musician. I live in Los Angeles now, but I'm from Detroit, Michigan originally.
Detroit, Mission.
Thank you.
Yes, the Mission. You were there with the Oblates of Mary Immaculate.
Many years ago.
What kind of a musician are you?
I
What do
play
you
the piano.
Piano?
Yes.
In a group or solo?
Solo.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What kind of piano stylings do you specialize in?
Classical. I was raised on classical and got into more of the musical theater and pop now.
I see. When you say classical, you mean Ray Charles?
Yeah, a little before that.
A little before.
Yeah.
All right. Good luck to you. Take a look over here, and we'll show you some great prizes. This is available in Game 1.
Oneida crystal stemware in the pink minx pattern. A 32-piece set including champagne flutes, goblets, wine, and iced beverage glasses. All mouth-blown, hand-cut full lead crystal furnished by Oneida. Alex.
Thank you, Gene. Whatever you do, Marjorie, don't move suddenly. Don't move suddenly, Marjorie. We want to protect all the crystal. Thank you. Evelyn and Mark, look on the board, and we'll show you as Marjorie sneaks off without breaking anything. The crystal set is available at number 22. Also in Game 1, a Caribbean cruise. Whoa. Mark selects first.
Well, Nikki, my wife, would love to go on the Caribbean cruise. Let's look under my lucky number 14.
1-4, an oak table collection.
And how about right below it under number 19?
No, we have satin bedding. Evelyn.
Well, let's start off with number 6.
Entertainment Center.
Oh, that would be wonderful. How about a match or a wild card under number 15?
Diamond necklace. Mark.
Let's take a look under number 11.
Crystal set.
And the, the match under number 20?
No, refrigerator, freezer. Evelyn may get a shot at the crystal.
Number 11.
Yes.
And number 22 for the match. Thank you, Mark. Thank you, Mark.
You're very welcome. It's a gift from me.
A gift from Mark to Evelyn. He may come to regret that, but it's still so early in the game. Let's open these two panels, shall we? Pick again, Evelyn.
All right, let's go with number 8 this time.
Red tape.
That would be good insurance. How about a match for that under number 25?
Oak table collection. No. Mark.
I believe number 14. And for the match, number 25.
A gift from Evelyn to Mark. You gave her the crystal, she gave you the oak table
polite.
collection. Yes. What a wonderfully polite society. Open these two panels. Pick again.
Okay, number 5.
Red tape.
And I believe we saw it. Let's try number 12.
That is not where we saw it.
Color
Evelyn.
Let's see what's under number 6.
Entertainment Center.
Okay, wild card or match under number 4.
No. Green tape. Mark.
Let's look under number 12 again.
That is a green tape.
And the color's right this time if it's under number 4.
It is indeed. There you go. She has the crystal set. You gave it to her. You could take it back.
I'm not an Indian giver, so I think I'll hold on for a little while.
Let us reveal a little bit more of the puzzle by opening these two panels. Pick again.
Number 7. Okay,
Diamond necklace.
Ooh, is the match under number 10?
No, but a wild card is, and so you're going to wind up with a diamond necklace in your column. The other one, just below it, number 15. You were in the right part of the board.
Okay.
You want to use your take?
No, I'm still going to hold on to it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Open it up. Pick again.
Let's look under the corner number 21.
His and her tennis
Oh,
rackets.
I play tennis. That'd be very nice. On top of it, number 16, maybe.
Maybe, no, but a wild card again.
You're hot.
He is indeed, Evelyn. The other rackets at number 3. Want to use the take?
I'm still going to hold on. I still think I'll hold on. Do you know how much crystal
Cease
my wife
and
has?
desist. He's not using his take. Open these 3 panels. Select again.
Okay, let's look under number 17.
Refrigerator, freezer.
I don't think we've seen number 6 yet. Oh.
Entertainment system.
And I don't
Center.
know where it
Evelyn?
is either. Well, let's see what's under number 20.
Refrigerator, freezer.
And I just saw it. Did I lose it? Number 17.
Refrigerator, freezer. You didn't lose it. You let it slip aside for just a moment.
Just a moment.
2 more doors opening up, this time for Evelyn Reason. Select.
All right. Let's see what's under number 2.
Complete power tool set.
And the match for that under number 18.
Complete power tool set. The lady is coming alive. Open it up. Select again.
All right.
Still a wild card on the board.
Let's have number 24.
There it is. Now, what to do?
Well, all I can think of is that entertainment center for now. So number 6.
Number 6. Looks like it's going to reveal an important piece of the puzzle as well.
Yes,
Where's the
yes.
natural match to it? At number 9. That may be of great assistance also. 3 doors opening for Evelyn. Pick again.
Number 19.
Satin bedding?
Oh. Number 23 for the match.
No, that's the Caribbean cruise, and that's the big prize that remains on the board. Mark.
If I can remember where that was. Let's take a peek under number 8.
Red take.
And I think the other take's under number 5.
Red take. All right. Here it is. Entertainment center, refrigerator, freezer, crystal set.
You know, I'm going to take that refrigerator freezer.
All right. That's fine.
I need that.
The refrigerator freezer is coming into Mark's prize column, and these 2 panels are swinging open. The Caribbean cruise is still up there, Mark. And it should be an easy match for you.
Okay. Number 13.
Caribbean cruise.
Think directly below under number 23.
I think you are right. And the match allows you to use the other take. Somehow, a classical pianist does not strike me as being big on power tools.
I don't have any, that's for sure.
So that would leave the crystal set or the entertainment set.
I think for my wife, I'll take the crystal set.
All right. Open these 2 doors and show him 1 and 19, the satin bedding, also for his wife. And now, as we open these panels, Mark, I want you to solve the puzzle.
Is it never the twain shall meet?
Never the twain shall meet sounds right to me. And it is. And it's a big win for you. Let's go to the board, Mark.
Okay. All right, we've got the ne and the plus the collar made of fur for nefer, and this is Mark Twain. It was Mark forever until I figured out Twain. And we've got snail meat, never the twain shall meet.
Never the mark shall meet. Old gambling expression. Just 1 strike against you, Evelyn, so we'll see you in the second game in a little while.
I'll be right back.
Let's listen as Gene describes and shows us your prizes down here.
His and her tennis rackets, a diamond necklace, a service merchandise gift certificate with which you may select a diamond necklace or other top-name brands from our catalog or redeem at any one of our many stores, furnished by Service Merchandise, and an oak table collection. Ashley's contemporary oak table with movable casters, impressive veneer patterns, gracefully arched solid wood legs, smoked bevel-cut glass inserts, and caned bottom shelves furnished by Ashley. And satin bedding. Whisper Soft Mills, luxurious super satin bedding, woven of 270 thread count, designed for comfort and elegance, furnished by Whisper Soft Mills, and a refrigerator freezer. A Whirlpool, no frost side-by-side, refrigerated with through-the-door ice and water dispensers, and Whirlpool's advanced technology for the performance and convenience you want, furnished by Whirlpool. And a Caribbean
I can't believe it.
We'll fly you in a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to Miami. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding a while in flight. Experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And the Commodore Cruise Line sleek MS Caribbean, registered in Panama, will whisk you away to 4 beautiful Caribbean ports on an exciting, fun-filled 7-day holiday cruise for 2, furnished by Commodore Cruise Line. And, of course, the beautiful Crystal Set. And these prizes total a big number, $7,495.
And when we come back, we'll see if you can win a brand new car. So please stay right where you are. Mark was surprised that he had won so much money in that first game. He says, my gosh, did I win all of that? I don't remember winning those prizes. So he sort of blanked out during the game. But I bet you he doesn't blank out now because this is for a brand new automobile. Here are the 15 numbered squares, and here is the base time on the clock, 35 seconds. Good luck to you, Mark Vogel. Go to work.
1, 3.
No.
4, 6.
No again.
7, 9.
No.
10, 12.
No.
13, 3.
No.
14, 6.
No.
9, 7.
No.
7, 14.
Right?
2, 5.
No.
13, 12.
No.
11, 15.
No.
4, 15.
He had trouble with the Le Mans,
Yes,
and I believe
the
it
Le
was,
Mans
it was at 9 and 13. I believe that was the combination that would have worked for you. We're close to $7,500 in prize winnings and a chance to add to that when we return and play game 2. Both Evelyn and Mark were commenting during the commercial break. It looks like we've got some serious jewelry coming up. Let's see what they spotted.
Part of the Nancy Diamond Jewelry Design Collection, a stunning ruby and diamond pendant crafted in 14-karat gold. This pendant features dazzling diamonds and rich red rubies furnished by Nancy Diamond Company.
Rubies and diamonds and gold. What a combination. Evelyn and Mark, here's where you'll find the diamond and ruby pendant at number 3. $500 in the cash pot, 5 bonus seconds in this game, and a holiday in Lake Tahoe.
Oh.
You can go there for your health or to gamble. Evelyn, you pick first.
All right, let's start off with number 12.
Wild card. Good place to start. You saw the jewelry. It's the only prize you've seen to this point.
I see no reason why not to pick number 3.
Number 3, the lovely diamond and ruby pendant. And the natural match to that is right below it at number 8. 3 panels opening for Evelyn. Try it again.
All right, let's have number 14.
Lake Tahoe.
That'll make up for that Caribbean trip you took from me. So how about the match under number 5?
5 it is, but no, it isn't. It's a red take. Mark.
Let's look under number 22.
5 bonus seconds.
Well, I could use those. How about lucky number 14?
No, Lake Tahoe again. Evelyn?
Okay, let's open up number 11.
Cash pot.
And the match under number 2.
No, green take. She is so positive when she says it, though. And the match under number 2, oh, it wasn't there. Yeah, where did she get that? How did she know it was there?
I didn't know.
But it wasn't there.
No,
So
absolutely.
you pick.
Let's try number 21.
Is it there? Red take.
And was that number 2?
No, that's the green take. Evelyn.
Let's see, number 5.
Red.
And number 21 for the match.
You are correct, and here is the red take. Open these doors for Evelyn. Pick again.
Number 20.
Cash pot.
Number 11 for the match.
Cash pot. Take a look.
I have to keep making matches.
You bet.
Number 24.
Bonus seconds.
Number 7.
Videotape library. No match. Mark.
I need those seconds. Let's look under number 22.
Yes.
And the match, please, under number 24.
5 bonus car seconds. However, Evelyn is sitting here with this red tape, so if she makes a match, she may want to grab those to give herself a better shot at a car. For the moment, though, let's see what happens as these panels open up for Mark. Pick again, Mark.
Okay, let's look under number 15.
Wild card.
Big decision. I'd like to open up a little bit. Number 10, please.
Electric rain. The other electric rain. Number 25. Everything's going to open up in that final column, that 5th column. What do they reveal as the panels swing open? Pick again.
Okay. Number 1. Let's start there.
Pasta maker.
My wife is Italian and a good cook. So let's see if we can match that under number 4.
Compact disc player. No match. Evelyn, back to you.
Let's see what's under number 18.
Videotape library.
And number 2.
Green take. Mark.
Let's look under number 9.
Athletic wear for 2.
I don't think we've seen number 17.
Athletic wear for 2. You don't wear it at the same time, by the way. Open it up.
Is it Citizen Kane?
Is it Citizen Kane? No, it is not. Oh, Evelyn will not have a chance to use the red tape. Get your hands close to the signaling buttons and get ready to ring in. 1, 2, 4. Evelyn.
Raising Cane.
Is it Raising Cane? Yes, it is. Raising Cane is right. Evelyn did it. And she survives and gets to go to the winner's circle.
Yes, yes. We start with the R plus the ace, which is raise plus sing. Raise, sing, and the cane. Raising cane.
Yes, indeed. Well done. You have just handed Mark his first strike, and that means he will return to compete in our next game. We'll see you in that one.
Okay.
Evelyn, you want to hear about your winnings?
Yes.
Okay. You had the diamond and ruby pendants. That'll look great. I know you're into jewelry. And, of course, in winning the game, you get to go to the winner's circle and play for a brand new car right after these commercials.
Thank you.
A few moments ago, Evelyn, I said to you after you won the game, I said, do you want to hear about your winnings? And you said yes. And then I told you about the ruby and diamond pendant. And that's all I told you about. You won, in addition, the cash pot, which had $500 in it. And that means in cash alone on our program, you picked up $1,400. Right. And now you could add a brand new car to your winnings. Here are the 15 numbered squares. This is your second time in the winner's circle, and that means you are going to be playing with 40 seconds on the clock. Good luck. Go to work.
1, 2.
No.
4, 5.
No.
7, 8.
Nope.
10, 5.
Nope.
4, 11.
Nope.
13, 14.
No.
3, 6,
No.
9, 14,
Yes.
12, 7,
No.
5, 11,
No.
15, 3,
Yep.
6, 4.
You didn't get off to a good enough start, and that made it tougher on you. But that's all right. You've got $2,900 in prize winnings, and we're coming back after this break. Gene?
Some of today's participants may receive Nishika's revolutionary new 35mm three-dimensional camera. Uses standard color film, requires no focusing or special viewers, and takes pictures that come to life, furnished by Nishika Corporation. We'll be back from Project Concentration in just a moment.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Human nature is really strange. I have discovered about myself, for instance, that whenever I make a mistake or think I have made a mistake, it really throws me, and I start worrying about it, and I forget about things that I should be doing. A little while ago,
Like
I
what?
apologized for forgetting to mention Evelyn winning the $500 in the cash pot. And
Well,
because
that's
I
what
was
you
so
forget.
self-involved,
Very selfish.
yes, it threw me completely.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.